Today, we're going to be talking about the login page for the customer portal. If you have not created an account yet, please make sure to contact your representative in order to get the correct permissions for the portal. If you have the correct permissions, you can click the register link at the bottom of the page, input your username, password, and confirm your password. Once you click the register button, it will forward you to your customer portal main page. If you've already created an account, you can stay on the login page, input your username and password, click the login button, and it will forward you to the customer portal main page. Welcome to the customer portal's main page. Here you'll be able to look at your current invoices, filter by status or by due date, and you can also view your invoice by clicking this link to download a PDF. Once it is finished downloading, you will be presented with the invoice itself, where you can see the details. You can also pay an outstanding invoice by clicking this Click to Pay button. Once you click to pay, you will be prompted with this modal at the bottom of the screen, which will also tell you which invoice you are paying. You can also delete the invoice by clicking this button on the right. You can pay multiple invoices at once by simply clicking others, and you can also remove them by clicking the same button. When you're ready to pay, you can go ahead and enter your credit card information, expiration date, CVV code, validate the card. You will be prompted with a successful message if the credit card is successful in validating, and then you can go ahead and submit your payment, and if the payment is successful, you'll be prompted with a success message. Then the customer portal will go ahead and refresh to accommodate that you have paid that invoice, and you can go ahead and check your paid invoices to make sure. If you are a contact on multiple customers, we have a way for you to check your invoices for those other customers. You can go over here onto your profiler, click on settings, then in current company, you can go ahead and switch which company you're viewing at. By clicking back to the invoice management page, it will then reflect the invoices for your specific customer.